Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something really powerful for anyone who follows the markets: how to create and use your own custom index on TradingView. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to build a custom basket of stocks, visualize it as one unified chart, and get a much clearer read on sector performance, even for a group as specific as communication stocks. So if you've ever wanted to track a mini index that fits your own strategy or interests, stick with me, we're getting hands-on. Let's jump right into TradingView. First thing, we want to access the Screener tool. It's usually found at the bottom panel, sometimes called Stock Screener. This is where we can filter the massive universe of stocks down to something more meaningful for us. Think of the screener as a superpowered search engine just for stocks. It's like going to the grocery store and telling the staff exactly what produce you want rather than hunting through every single aisle. Now, let's say we're interested in the communication sector, telecom companies like carriers and cell providers. Instead of checking each one individually, we'll build a focused mini index. To do that within the screener, look for the option to filter by sector. Don't worry if it takes a second to locate, it's often in the filter menu on the left side. Once you find it, select Communication Services or whatever your platform calls it. Instantly, you'll see a curated list of communication sector stocks. This saves you a ton of time and makes sure you aren't overlooking any big names. For this demonstration, let's keep things straightforward. We'll create a custom index using just 3 stocks. I recommend picking major players like T-Mobile TMUS, AT&T and Verizon VZ, since they're widely followed and representative of the sector. Go ahead and click to select these 3 from the list. You can usually do this by holding the Control or Command key as you select them one by one. Here comes a handy shortcut. Right-click on your selected stocks and choose Add Selected to Watchlist. Instead of mixing these into your existing watchlists and risking confusion, choose to create new list. Give it a clear name, let's call it Custom Index. Naming your list is key, since later on you might want to build indexes for other sectors or themes. Next, we're heading over to the Superchart or the Advanced Charting section. You'll notice your new custom index list is already hanging out in your sidebar. Super convenient, right? Now for some TradingView magic. Go to the symbol search box at the top of your chart. Type in TMUS plus T plus VZ, essentially adding the ticker symbols together with plus signs. Hit enter and boom, TradingView will automatically generate a composite chart that combines these 3 communication giants into a single line. This composite view is effectively your own mini index. It's tracking how the group performs together rather than individually. So why is this important? Well, custom indexes like these allow you to monitor groups of stocks as if they're a single asset. This is incredibly useful if, for example, you want to see if the communication sector is moving as a whole or spot trends that might not be obvious if you only looked at one company at a time. It's like creating your own weather forecast for a specific neighborhood, rather than relying on a broad citywide prediction. And there you have it. You've built a custom index from scratch and turned it into a powerful research tool on TradingView. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a like, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share which sector you're building an index for. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy charting.